The importance of documentation, importing industrial machinery. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage series, where we explore various aspects of international trade and customs regulations. In today's episode, we will be diving into the documentation requirements for importing industrial machinery. Whether you are an importer, a customs broker, or a trade professional, understanding the necessary paperwork is crucial for a smooth and compliant customs clearance process. So, let's get started. When it comes to importing industrial machinery, one key aspect that cannot be overlooked is the documentation. Proper documentation not only ensures compliance with customs regulations but also helps streamline the import process. Having all the necessary paperwork in order will save you both time and money. So, what documents are usually required when importing industrial machinery? Let's take a look. The commercial invoice provides essential information about the imported machinery, including the description, quantity, value, and origin. It is important to ensure accuracy and consistency between the invoice and any other accompanying documents. This document serves as a contract of carriage between the shipper and the carrier. It provides details about the shipment, such as the consignor's and consignee's names, the ports of loading and discharge, and a description of the goods. The packing list provides a detailed breakdown of the contents and quantities of each package in the shipment. It helps customs authorities verify the information provided in the commercial invoice and assess the accuracy of the declared value. The ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, requires importers to provide certain information about the imported goods to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, at least 24 hours before the vessel's departure from the foreign port. This filing must be done accurately and in a timely manner to avoid penalties. In addition to the fundamental documents mentioned earlier, there are a few other documents and certificates that may be required, depending on the nature of the imported machinery. This document certifies that the machinery meets the necessary safety standards and regulations of the importing country. It ensures that the imported goods are both safe and compliant with local regulations. Harmonized System, HS, Code Classification. Each imported item must be classified under the appropriate HS code, which is a standardized system used to classify goods for customs purposes. Correctly classifying the imported machinery will determine the applicable duties, taxes, and any special requirements. These documents confirm the country of origin of the imported machinery. They may be required to qualify for preferential trade agreements or to ensure compliance with trade regulations that relate to specific countries or industries. With the complex and ever-changing nature of customs regulations, seeking the expertise of a licensed customs broker can be invaluable when dealing with the documentation requirements for importing industrial machinery. A customs broker has the knowledge and experience to navigate through the intricate customs processes, ensuring compliance and efficient clearance. In conclusion, proper documentation is essential when importing industrial machinery. Understanding the required paperwork, including the commercial invoice, bill of lading, packing list, ISF filing, and any additional documents or certificates, is crucial for a successful customs clearance process. Remember, working with a customs broker can significantly simplify this process and help you avoid any costly errors or delays. Thank you for joining us in this episode of our Customs Brokerage series. If you found this information useful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on all things related to customs brokerage and international trade. Until next time, happy importing!